In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lusha to prospect. Lusha is a powerful tool for finding the right people and companies to reach out to, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to go from a blank screen to qualified prospects you can contact. Start by heading to the Lusha dashboard in your browser. You'll land on a clean home view. From here, move to the left-hand navigation and click Search. This takes you into Lusha's prospecting workspace, where you'll do all your targeting. Next, open the Filters panel. The key to great prospecting is getting specific, so take a moment to describe who you're looking for. Refine by job title or seniority to pinpoint decision makers. Choose departments to focus your outreach, and narrow by location, industry, or company size to match your ideal customer profile. Each filter you add reduces noise and improves the quality of your results, so be intentional and adjust as you go. At the top of the results area, choose whether you want to search for contacts or for companies. Contacts will surface individual professionals. Companies will surface organizations you can later drill into for the right people. If your goal is immediate outreach, contacts is usually the best place to start. If you're building an account list first, start with companies. If you're not sure where to begin, Lusha also offers AI-powered search suggestions. Type a brief description of who you want to find and select a suggested query. This can help you move faster, and you can still refine with filters afterward to make the results fit your strategy. When your results populate, click into a result to focus on it. This opens a quick view so you can verify you're looking at the right person or company before you take any further action. To keep things organized or prepare for bulk actions later, click the checkbox next to the result to select it. Selection simply marks the record so you can manage it alongside others. Now, click Show Details. This expands the profile with richer context such as role specifics and company information, helping you confirm fit and tailor your approach. When you're confident the profile is a match, click Show Emails and Phones. Lusha will reveal verified contact information directly on the profile. Keep in mind this may use your plan's credits, so reveal only what you intend to use, and always follow applicable outreach and data privacy guidelines. That's the complete flow. Open search, apply precise filters, choose contacts or companies, lean on AI suggestions if helpful, preview the right result, select it, expand details, and reveal contact info when you're ready to reach out. With this process, you'll consistently build targeted, high-quality prospect lists in Lusha.